I'm at Donson Betts, and I'm standing here with Joe. Joe, what an amazing company you've built, and I want to learn a little bit more about it, what you got going on here. So, first, let's start for the people out there. What's your role here?
Great question. My role is the president of the company.
Okay.
As the years have gone by, we've been fortunate. We've got some real good managers and supervisors. So basically looking at the big picture, the next building that we would want to buy, the next equipment we're looking to buy, better ways to find employees, things like that.
So you got the big picture view. You're like the visionary directing the company right now. So really quick, how long has Donson Betts been a company?
Donsson started in 1978 and Betts started in 2019.
Okay, so you've continued to grow. So back in 1978, how many employees did you start with?
It's actually, basically it started from the ground up. It was my dad, Donson Bettinardi. He had a very small company at the time, and he had 4 sons. All 4 of his sons followed him into the business, and today there's 5 different companies and probably 400 employees and different industries we all serve. And ownership is all different also.
What industries do you serve here out of all the companies?
So our biggest industries would be food equipment, medical device, and aerospace. Very good industries. And then we also have some other industries like semiconductor industry, hydraulic industry, and some other miscellaneous industries, automation. But I would say food equipment, medical and aerospace. And medical and aerospace are rapidly growing.
So I noticed that you've got a lot of different machine tools here, but you've actually got a very high amount of the Mitsubishi EDMs. Is there any particular reason for that?
Mitsubishi, well, we were taught, again, buy the best equipment there is. Buy something that's very strong, stable, that's going to last a long time. And if you compare a Mitsubishi, it's like buying a very good car. It's like buying a BMW, an Audi, a Lexus. We have no problems with these machines. I know they're going to last forever. I'm not going to have to worry about calling in service. And we hope to buy many, many more. And they've been very good to our customers, and they've been very good to us.
So I have a soft spot in my heart for family-run businesses, but it's also not often you hear about a family-run business that starts from nothing and is now up to so many companies and 400 employees. What do you think the secret is to the success here at Donsson?
I think the secret sauce, as they call it, I would say we had a very good teacher in my dad. He was a man of just common sense. I mean, everybody that met him would say, just do things. Don't create a mountain, just keep everything real simple. Number 1, take care of your employees. Number 2, invest in the best technology. And number 3, just continue to grow, find new customers, take care of the existing customers, and you want to be with a goal of number 1 at each customer that you have.
That's really cool. I wonder if you could share just a little bit about, especially that number 1, because I've met a lot of machine shops out there, and not a lot of them put that as number 1, but that was your first answer, taking care of your employees. So what does Donson and Betts do for their employees?
I think the biggest thing is you gotta make sure you care for them. They're all of us, from the owners to the employees. We're going to have bad days and we're going to have good days, and you got to try to show empathy. You know, we all have. We've all had times where we need help, and sometimes our employees need help. That's a great way that we can show them that we care. The other thing is we want to have a super professional environment at all times. I look at the employees. These are somebody's sons and daughters, and just the same way I have 2 daughters that don't work here. I'm hoping that their boss is treating them with a lot of respect, a lot of kindness, and I know that our employees' parents want the same thing for their children that are working for us. And some of these people are older than me, but they still want a ton of respect, and they want to be treated the right way.
I've been here for 48 years.
48 years, man, did they steal you like right out of grade school?
No, it was right after high school and a couple years of college.
Okay, so what are you in charge here at Donson Betts?
I'm VP of Engineering at this point in time, but I started out from the ground floor up, learning the trade from zero, and just worked my way up, working a lot of hours, a lot of overtime.
So you've been at the company for 48 years now. How have you seen the company grow in the last 48 years?
At first we grew slowly, but then once we gained confidence with the customers we do work for, showed them what we said we'd do, we actually did, and our quality kept growing and getting better. They gained confidence in us, and then we really started to take off.
So why do you think your customers choose to work with Donson Betts?
I think one of the biggest things that we offer is this DFM, which is designed for manufacturing. So when we look at these prints that are just getting going from the engineering department of our customers, they're constantly asking us any advice on how to make the part better, how to make it less expensive. So our engineers, every one of them, have gone through a machinist program, a registered machinist program, and now they're able to offer this advice to our customers. And our customers, some of our customers actually have some of our engineers on their internal teams, and they ask questions all the time, and it's worked out very well.